back to Acid Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they side of the world. Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. Ezuku Chukudi Anukubide inside studio, and we dey look the condition of the girl picking inside Niger as the thing they go from bad to worse. The question we want to ask now, wetin go be the solution to these problems so that we go get country where we say we go know say our future they secure, because those when go grow up to become mama for inside this our country and when go also contribute to nation building and national development, they go do their own best too for this particular country. If you check wetin Madam Patience talk, she identify one thing. She talk say she use herself as living example. She talk say they no gree her to go school, but her husband they compassionate enough come talk say make she continue. And she also give example of family when we say she go, they come talk say this pikin, then they train them make another person come carry. Now why the boy go collect them? First and foremost, we need to see beyond say this one. Exactly. Now somebody when we say we dey train for another person to come carry. This one, and somebody when we say we dey train for us to. If we go spiritual now and we talk say okay now God now they give pikin. If God give you female children, shey say you go talk say you no want. If we even go talk say okay based on say wetin man dey give, wetin woman dey collect, na him go bring pikin. If you can't give am the one wey be say she can't bring only women come, you can't talk say na she go dey manufacture men dey give you. So that mindset of say one pikin special pass the other one, na very very serious problem, and it go follow for wetin go push us into even deep into this problem we dey face. Because if pikin grow up for society when she feel say my papa them they no give me love, my mama them they feel say now another person property I be, wetin go be my own contribution for society. And we need to face on the girl pikin, because whether you like am or not, now waiting now as our day take be, now so it go be for night. If we not take care of these girls today, when go grow up to become mama tomorrow, now me say this circle of rubbish, I go use the word rubbish when they happen, go continue to still they happen.
Chukudi, yes, and just typical, you don't talk waiting Madam Patience talk. For instance, if she don't highlight one particular place where she visits, say for this particular place you go share, then share food. They call this talk say the boys now then they important unto say the guys go waka come out. Okay, if for instance I want to ask myself a question or probably ask Nigerians question. If I get picky with big girl, and they compete, maybe intellectual competition among boys. You come see now boys dominate that competition part. What is I would go expect to win?
Very, very true.
Now my own picky big girl, I would say make you make sure say you win these boys.
Very true.
You understand? In the same vein, now I won't be listening to every father, but make we take this call. Oga Kayode, good morning. Calling us from Kaduna. Good morning, Kayode.
Good morning, my brother.
Would they hear you right on?
Oh, may the Lord bless you and give you more strength to continue this program. I really enjoy your program.
Thank you very much.
About the issue of women, if you are in Kaduna, hello?
Yeah, would they hear you right on?
If you are in the northern area, you actually see and know the carbon copy of what you are discussing this morning. They don't value their women, their girls. If you see them on the way, on the road, selling the pure water, selling other things there, you pity for the girls. Something happened last upper week in our area here. This girl was raped by this boy smoking Indian M. Just exactly around 7:30 in the evening, whereby they send her to take Coco, this their Akamu, to some houses along the road. So this boy kidnapped the girl, raped her, and left her alone. If had been that they take good care of these children, these female girls, no one and nobody can go to their home to do such thing with them there. So I will advise our government, anybody, any woman, any father, or any parent that allows such thing to happen to his or her daughter to be jailed.
Oga Kayode, thank you very much for this important advice where you don't carry give our government people. From Kayode, we'll collect Chinelo. She they call us all the way from Lagos and she done the way. Thank you very much, Chinelo. Welcome to Acid Hot.
Good
morning.
Chinelo.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
And they try well. I beg you, waiting I won't talk. Because if I put mouth for this girl child thing, it they pain my heart well. And but waiting I won't beg be say those women in the northeast, in the north, there are still some of them that are a bit enlightened.
Okay, yes.
There are some of them that don't like what is happening. In as much as sincerely the thing don't enter their roots. It don't enter not so they take grow up. Not so their mama take grow up. You understand? So some of them no fit talk. But some of them don't dare enlighten. They don't see, say, I beg, we no go agree for this thing again. They can take it up. You understand? You get some NGOs we know they in the north. They can link up with those people, with international bodies, and take this thing up. Even though, say, we cannot make it in a day, maybe to take it to federal government, change the policies in a day. But after they sow the seed, they go those children's school, those ones who at least they see for school, for north, they tell them, you know, they teach them the right thing. We go, they sow small seed. And no matter how small a seed is, it will grow. You understand?
Yes.
So now it be my own contribution.
Thank
Then for we know they northeast, make God they help us. Make they put eye for our children, our girls. A lot of things are happening, but now God hand we day.
Yes, so now God hand we day. Thank you very much, Chinelo. You don't talk well.
Very much.
And in the same vein where other people don't also raise their voices on top of this issue. Now the same way you don't raise your own voice. And I also hope, say, our government, they hear us. Just as I talked before, Chukudi, in the same vein as I talk, say, if I go want to make my child scale through above the men where they compete with, and then make also carry this matter, enter the north. Okay, we get leaders where we say, they send their own pikin go school, their female child to school. You understand? They say a lot of their girls they school. And just as soon as they don't identify, we get people where we say ladies, women for north, where we say, yeah, they're educated. Okay, at least they're supposed to carry this mantle. They don't know what they don't achieve from education. They don't know the kind of offices they don't acquire from education. As a result of waiting, education, you understand? Filling in that gap where they're missing among women for that particular place. Waiting they don't do so far to at least identify present this problem before top people there. So, okay, see, you don't send your own pikin go school. Your pikin don't know this, your pikin don't know this. Waiting go stop us, we'll be leaders from also passing the same message or passing the same this thing to other people where will they rule.
Very true.
Because in the end, who will be the benefactor? Now still the same people will carry out this responsibility. Because by the time when you do it, by the time when you carry out this, when you implement this thing, I should say the girl child get the right to a good education. The girl child to an extent get the right to equal right. Where we say yes, if they treat the boy well, treat her the same way, treat the lady the same way you go treat the boy. At least you go say things go balance. A lot of things go take place. I mean, things go change, definitely.
Very true. And in addition to that one, unless we can't see our problems or problems when they're peculiar to a particular part of the country, or maybe because it's plenty for there as their own problem, that their issue go there. You don't raise very, very valid points. But they talk about, say, okay, make them try their best to convince, to show them, say, now this way be this. It just be like, say, make we talk, say, those of us when they southwest, or those of us when they southeast, or certain places, problem when we think, say, it be like, say, now only us, they're exclusive to, make we address them. We supposed to do this thing as a people, collectively, because if all these statistics, they come out, now, for example, if they talk about Transparency International, this report when Transparency International bring out, when they talk, say, Nigeria, they 138 out of 168. Now, we they look, say, Nigeria. They not talk, say, now these people, or now that people, or now male, now female. They just classify them as Nigeria. So if we see this problem as a collective problem and find collective solutions to them, that's the way forward. Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, welcome to Ask the Odds.
Now, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
This topic, I like them, but I'm not going to discuss them, you know. At least now for be January 1st discussion, you know. So we have to carry the goal like that, continuously. What I say, for example, say Nigeria they try you compared to other countries in the world. Nigeria they try to give women chance. You understand me now? So you can't just say Nigeria need to try compared to other countries. Them, if we look at even some Western world, Nigeria they try. So we should give Nigeria that recommendation. Say yes, would they try to improve on it? But it's not there enough. But we are trying. What did they inside say? The say charity begins at home. So you got to look at from the home when that as a parent, because not be saying as society, but as you as a parent, when you carry your children, now people go look them. You understand me now? Because if you look Big Man daughter, they go school,
they well trained, well educated, you know, they hold position in the society. You see, so poor man will not be like that. You see, so rather train the daughter, rather train his son. You see the two now. So there's a big difference in between the two people. So now so it just be, you know. So, but what the people they say, good luck try for putting women in position. I'm not going to give credit to that one because the women when they put I don't see what they do rather than complain when from them, because if you look, Minister of Aviation will not do our airports they were. Minister of Finance complain of money where they miss now from there come from. Minister of Petroleum, the same thing. So I'm not going to give credit to that one, They're not putting credible people to put Nigeria forward, to push women forward, They rather give women bad names. So those are the ones I see for inside.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. And in fact, say you don't even give kudos, say, even though the thing they like this, we still they try. But we know what they do, say we they try. We won't get that many things, they very perfect. We get Albert in the call us all the way from Kaduna. Oga Albert, welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning, Albert. Yes, we hear you.
Yes. I don't know.
I beg, Albert, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
I've turned it down.
Okay, but I beg, if you move come out from where you did, so we'll hear you well. The network may break somehow.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Right on, we hear you.
Yes. I don't know how you people are justifying the people from the north for not sending their children to school.
Okay, we hear you.
Especially the girl child. But in my place, even in the classroom, the statistics of the population of the girl child is more than that of the boys.
Okay, Albert, which place you they talk about?
I'm talking of my area.
In Kaduna?
Yes.
Okay.
Most of the schools, if you go, you find out that the girl child are more than the boys in the class.
But then, let me also ask this question. These girls where they talk about, say now indigens are be people where we say, where come from other states, where they live for that place?
No, they are indigenous.
Indigens? Okay.
They are indigenous. Let's talk about Southern Kaduna to be precise.
Okay, Southern Kaduna, that is largely dominated by Christianity, if I know go talk, if I know they wrong.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Abba, thank you very much for that talk. Chukudi, Abba don't also bring.
We get Amina from Ibadan. Amina, if you like say we don't lose Amina from Ibadan. Make we correct. You get one thing when Oga Abba talk say make we know justify. We know they just like when I been make that quotation about the prevalence of say young girls. They marry quick and they know they go school. I been quote Mrs. Tokpe when I talk say they get they gather all the statistics to use show and the figures they there for her to balance say okay if we get one part of Nigeria we talk say na the north and na 19 states and this thing they very prevalent. Now why the number pass other numbers? When we go this break come back we go review all the things when we say una don't call to provide a solution to this particular problem. No go anywhere now still Wazobia TV and this now as the Welcome back to Asi the Hot. From where we stand now, the final bus stop, now we the see. And we put our two legs solidly on top of topic when we say they affect everybody inside Obodo, Nigeria. On top of Asi the Hot, we don't just they think of waiting they happen current, even though that one they very important. We also they relate them to waiting will happen in the future. Because if we don't do it well, the problem we will go face for the future, as a result of the mistake when we make today. Ezuku Chuku they could be there inside studio, and we they check all of the problems when they as it concern girl matter. And also the solutions to these problems there.
Chukudi, most importantly, we don't identify virtually a lot of issues where they affect this thing. Then what we need to look forward to, okay, so now waiting be the way out because we always find a way out of this matter until we get them right. Okay, we don't get a new administration into power now. And waiting we don't do so far to ensure, say, this new government, at least go ensure, say, at least some of these rights, say, they push for us so that at least least we go see results rather than to the recycle over the issue. We get Emmanuel. Emmanuel, the call us from Warri. Good morning, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, good morning. Emmanuel, you did there? If I say we don't lose Emmanuel. So Chukwudi, the other thing we say yes. Identifying the problem is one thing. Then finding solution to the problem is another thing.
If I say
Emmanuel, you see there?
This is another Emmanuel from Ikeja.
Okay, good morning, Emmanuel.
Ikeja, Emmanuel, you did there? Oga Emmanuel from Ikeja, reduce the volume of your television and contribute. Will they hear you? The network, the jam. Oga Emmanuel, I beg, if you call us back, just make sure say you come out anywhere where your TV day, or you reduce them so that we go hear you and the full Nigeria go also hear your contribution. That one also apply to every other person when one try call us to make contribution for this particular discussion.
So Chukwudi, it is one thing to identify problem, it's another thing to find solution. We don't do on this issue for a very long time. You understand? When I mean they on this issue for a very long time, we don't raise voices, and we don't also get different bodies where they also at least ensure say we make sure that at least certain things are being implemented. Okay, what it is the government at this stage or at this point in time go feed you to further advance on waiting the people they demand for? Because if you look at, I would say a larger population of people go say yes, make we give that equal right to people to Nigerians. While some go still probably believe, go still hold on to what they believe in, say no, that equal right no be waiting girls deserve. You understand? But then there should be a balance to everything where they do, and at that balance we try find right now.
Very
that
true.
Balance we go also ensure make if anybody they call us right now, make also at least give us the way out of it. Make we know as we go take move on from here.
Very
because
true.
We know say our government officials they also hear what to talk about right now.
I go like quote one report when we say UNICEF. Everybody knows say UNICEF. Ogbonge join body when we say there be part of the United Nations. They get one report when they do as it get to do with education and girl picking, especially for Africa and for Nigeria. I go quote one portion. They probably use one on the 18th of June 2015. They talk say for this report, say according to the UNICEF report, 40% of Nigerian children from age 6 to 11 no they attend any primary school, and the northern region now then record the lowest school attendance rate in the country, particularly for girls. Before I dissect this one, we'll collect Oga Uche. Oga Uche, they call us all the way from Lagos. Oga Uche, welcome to Aside Hot.
Okay, the woman.
Hey, Madam Uche, I make mistakes. See your voice.
Madam Uche, you see when people don't do this.
I know how to talk, not they come
Madam Uche, right on Jare, will they hear you?
You they close that. Right on Jare, will they hear you?
Yes, see, my whole contribution, Nigeria should try value female children. For example, now, it happened to me. Like me, now I get 5 girls.
You get 5 girls?
Yes, I'm from Delta. I married a Boma. So this one they blame only not only not that problem they for Igbo side too.
Madam Uche, make we get this one clear. The 5 girls when you get, they know they go school, abi they don't go rich, they don't talk same way they no go again.
Why not? My husband leave me now because I know they are male children. But today now, my children, I don't be the main thing for the house. I try to train them. My 3 children are graduates. Yes. My husband go marry another person and they get male children. They are not mixing up the way my girls are doing. So
Madam Uche, this is your contribution. Yeah. Make we just leave them. Madam Uche, thank you very much for this your contribution. We could just leave them for the matter of say, it's very, very important, say, whichever pikin we get, whether male or female, make we accord them plenty respect, and make we treat them specially and give them all the best when they get. Your case, now something when we say, people suppose they refer to, you get 5 children, you love them, even though the man was supposed to be the pillar, he run, come out, but you stand there, send your children go school, and you dey very, very proud today. If
Chukwudi, you know what Madam Uche talk don't remind me of? I don't look and say, okay, if you leave responsibility, maybe somehow in a particular family, the woman cry, maybe you can't be saying that the man can't be in charge now. Well, if you compare the responsibility where the man go play, compare am to the responsibility wey the woman go play wey im husband no dey. Go say the gap dey very very wide. You understand? Women wey I don see so far wey we say na dem take care of their own pikin, don do wetin, don play that is impressive role in ensuring say their pikin say they raise them up well to the point they say to even to school level. You understand? So compare to that of men, you go say the gap they very very margin. Now the same strength of women we will talk about. We get another caller from Ibadan. Amina, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Amina.
Good morning. Yes.
I agree to you, Amina.
Now, well done, no.
Thank you very much.
Yes. About these female children of 18. The thing they affect us, they affect women generally. Now the men get the problem. Maybe waiting and give you woman go born. If women if them born girl a female child, they will begin complain. They will begin say they no born female, they no born male child for them. But right now, waiting you put for your wife body, your wife born come out.
True.
Why you go they complain?
True.
I get friend who born she get 3 daughters. For that her husband divorce her. So be because of waiting give her she born.
Not true.
So the main thing the same. More I help us talk to Nigerian men, the mentality that affects them.
Could be.
Make them know how to go to the truth. Children they come from God. Not be women they give children. And when they give woman, we will go bring out. True.
Madam Amina, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We are very, very happy say all of the people who call us today, everybody they speak with one voice. The importance of say woman, they're very, very important. Children, that from God then they come, and we go try our best to ensure say we give them the very best. Who could we make a balance?
Don't you balance anything?
Balance the report.
Don't you balance anything? We talk about a things. They talk balance up issue. Now you want balance. I'm not talk. Why you go pick up what to say because of say men they talk to Nigerian men say their mentality. You can't say Nkubi. What did Nkubi do for this one?
I say
Nkubi. God bless Nkubi.
I say
I thought I don't get better mentality to raise my own daughters.
I say
don't you ever?
I don't call your name now.
You called Nkubi.
Why they threaten me? I say
Chukudi.
Is there anything wrong with
Chukudi?
They call my name now. I'll call your name. Nkubi.
How many times I call you on this program?
Oh yeah, Nkubi, we'll end the show. Our people wait there for house. We appreciate the fact say every time we carry any topic come and una they support us with passion to discuss them. Make una always remember 160 million plus Nigerians. If all of us join our voice together, it go loud past anybody own, even president's own. And once they hear them, they go do what we want. Make we continue to the talk. No more sit down look. On the issue of girl children, we go do our best to they raise our voice so that government go do what they go do. Parents go learn less in do what they go do, and society go really appreciate women. Nkubi.
I know they but bye. You and I still hear when me and you there stay. You can't tell Ayo will be our guest. Say, look, say no only they speak about for women's rights. Make women show don't end. Say so me I don't know how to protect women's rights. Abi.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry the go.